Welcome to Fast Answers to Frequent Questions. I am Chris Drosba in the Roger Williams University Visual Resources Center. The question that I'm going to answer in this tutorial is, how do I build a presentation in MDID? Well, in order to build a presentation in MDID, we need to start by searching for the images that you would like to add. So, we are going to go over to Search under Resources. And in the VRC main collection, let's do a search for Frank Lloyd Wright. So I'm just going to type in Wright under Agent. And we actually came up with over 1,500 images. A lot of it is from Frank Lloyd Wright, but I'm sure there's other things in there. However, just to demonstrate how to do it, I'm going to just select all the images on this page. And I also want to select all the images on the next page as well. So I'm going to click the single right arrow, go to the next page, select all on page, and you will notice that there is actually 50 records per page, and up here it says that I have 100 images selected. I would actually like to add these selected images to a slideshow. So I'm going to click this Add Images to the Slideshow from the top little toolbar. And you have a couple different choices here. You can actually add them to a newly created slideshow, or you can also drop down and add to any slideshows that you've actually created. However, I want to demo this and just do a demo underscore write. So they also have a box here for archived immediately. If archived immediately is checked, that means that you will be the only person that will be able to see it. None of your students will be able to see it. Only administrators and yourself will be able to see it. However, it's unchecked, then that means it's open to the whole world to see as long as they can log into MDID. So we're going to keep it as archived immediately. When you create and add selected images, it'll take you to the slideshow properties page. Down at this bottom, you actually have a couple different things you can do. You can add the images, delete the entire presentation, set who can look at it, who cannot, but the main ones that you'll be using is the light table and the package. So let's go ahead and start with light table. What light table allows you to do is to rearrange the images how you would like them to be. So you can just drag and move that one over here, or drag and that one over here, and just move things around. You can add annotations down at the bottom, add little notes. Once you have everything set, go ahead and click save. But actually, I want to show you too, if there's an image that you just plain don't like, just drag it down to the trash on the bottom left. Now, I'm going to save the changes, and then we're going to leave the light table because I want to add another set of images as well. So we'll just go ahead and leave light table, and we're going to click Add Images. We're going to search some more. We're going to keep the same search. And I'm going to go to the very end and just add one. I'll add two. Add selected images to a slideshow. This time we are going to add them. You can either add selected images to the slideshow you have currently open, which would be correct, or again you can drop it down here, add selected images from the top, go back to the light table, and what you'll notice anytime you add images, instead of them just being thrown in the main light table, they'll move to the scratch area so that you can actually move images into where you want it to be. You can also move images from the main area into the scratch area as well. So this is kind of the images waiting in the wings, and you can rearrange them how you want. So really, once you save your changes, we'll leave the light table one more time. And if your slideshow is ready for others to view, all you have to do is click Unarchive, and now your students can come on and view it. And in a future video, I will show you how to package it and even add it to a PowerPoint if you would like.